Hi everybody and welcome back. Now we've just seen how we can check conditions using the AND statement. And for the AND statement to pass, or to run a program, both conditions have to be true. We can also use what's called the OR keyword, which allows us to check multiple conditions, but it passes when either or both of the individual tests pass. An OR expression fails only when both individual tests fail. Let's look at an example. So we're going to check some ages here. So your age equals input. How old are you? Perfect. Let's just close that up. And your friend's age. And as always, little typo in my spelling, friend's age equals input. How old is your friend? And again, close it with our double quote and our bracket. So now we're going to create an if block. But first, it's just something we need to address. Because we're asking here for ages and people are going to input digits, those digits are going to be received by Python as strings. So we need to convert them into integers for our programs to run and not generate any errors. So if int your age is greater than or equal to 18, or int friend's age is greater than or equal to 18, don't forget our colon, print congrats, one of you is old enough to vote. Okay. Else print sorry, one of you is too young to vote. We start by asking the user to input two ages. We then run a check using the OR condition to see if both of our ages are greater than or equal to 18. And let's run this program now and see how it looks. First we'll save it. And now we run. So, how old are you? So, let's just say I'm 18. I wish I were. How old is your friend? 18. Congrats, one of you is old enough to vote. That's because both our tests have passed. So as we said in the beginning, an OR expression fails only when both individual tests fail. So let's run this again, and let's fail both tests. So, how old are you? 16. How old is your friend? 17. Sorry, one of you is too young to vote, and we've left out a word here, too young to vote, so we correct that now. So I hope that explains the OR statement, and like others, we'll be using it when we get into more advanced topics later on during the course. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.